Class 9th Maths Chapter 6 Lines and Angles. Let's discuss some question. Question 1. In the given figure, find the value of P. Here, to find the value of P is equals to angle x degree by vertically opposite angles, and x plus 2x is equals to 180 degree by linear pair. So 3x is equals to 180 degree, x is equals to 180 by 3, so x is equals to 60 degree. Here we proved value of P is equals to x and the value of x is equals to 60 degree, so value of P is also 60 degree. In the figure, line N intersect two parallel lines L and M such that angle 2 is equals to 120 degree. Find the values of all the exterior angle. Now, angle 1 and angle 2 makes linear pair, so angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree by linear pair. Write angle 1 as it is. Value of angle 2 is 120 degree is equals to 180 degree. So angle 1 is equals to 180 minus 120 is equals to 60 degree. So value of angle 1 is 60 degree. Angle 1 is equals to angle 5. Angle 1 is equals to angle 5. Corresponding angles. So value of angle 5 is also 60 degree. Now angle 5 is equals to angle 7 is equals to 60 degree, vertically opposite angles. Angle 5 is equals to angle 7, vertically opposite angles. Now angle 7 plus angle 8 is equals to 180 degree. Angle 7 and angle 8 plus angle 8 is equals to 180 degree by linear pair. Value of angle 7 is 60 plus angle 8 is equals to 180 degrees. So value of angle 8 is 180 minus 60 is equals to 120 degree. Now angle 8 is equals to angle 6, vertically opposite angle. So value of angle 1 is 60 degree, value of angle 2 given is 120 degree, value of angle 7 is equals to 60 degree, and value of angle 8 is 120 degree. We found the value of all the exterior angles. Next question. In the figure, prove that AB is parallel to EF. AB is parallel to EF. We need to prove that. Now, angle ACD is equals to angle ACD is equals to angle ACE plus angle ECD. Value of angle AC is 22. Value of angle ECD is 35. So angle ACD is 57 degree. And value of angle BAC is also given 57. So clearly angle ACD is equals to angle BAC. ACD is equals to angle BAC. And these are alternate angle. And we know if alternate angles are equal, then lines are parallel. So AB is parallel to CDs, which implies AB is parallel to CD. Now, angle FEC plus angle ECD is equals to value of FEC is 145, value of angle ECD is 35. Now 145 plus 35 is 180 degree. Now angle FEC and angle ECD are co-interior angles, and clearly sum of co-interior angles here is 180 degree. So if sum of co-interior angle is 180 degree, then lines are parallel. So which implies now sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. So EF is parallel to CD. Now from this equation, first equation, we get AB is parallel to CD, and from this we get EF is parallel to CD. Now AB is combining first and second equation, we get AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, which implies AB is parallel to EF. Hence proved. Next question, in the figure, find X and Y if L is parallel to M and P is parallel to Q. To find the value of X, in this triangle, X is exterior angle, and we know by exterior angle property, exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite two interior angles. So X is equals to 40 plus 35 by exterior angle property. Now value of X is equals to 75 degree. Now angle B is 35 degree. So angle ABC is also 35 degree by vertically opposite angles. And as L is parallel to M, given angle Y is equals to angle ABC is equals to 35 degree by alternate interior angles. So value of angle Y is equals to 35 degree and value of X is equals to 75 degree.